If you own or rent property in Minnesota, sooner or later, somebody is going to ask you for this in writing, and they will want it today. Today, it is the Minnesota month-to-month rental agreement. A month-to-month rental agreement is the one people most often end up in by accident, when a fixed term simply runs out and everybody carries on. Writing it down is your chance to decide the rent, the deposit, the utilities, and the notice period on purpose, instead of inheriting whatever the default happens to be. Without it, a tenancy nobody documented is governed entirely by rules neither side has read. And this is the part that matters. The deadlines, the notice periods, and the wording that actually count are set by Minnesota law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Minnesota, and the page walks you through the Minnesota rules that apply to it. Complete the fields on the page and download the PDF the moment you are done. It is formatted correctly, and it is yours to keep as the record copy. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go get the form itself at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. It costs nothing.